Washing handbags or school bags in the washing machine can be difficult because of the metal zips or buckles attached to the bags. What happens is these kind of metal zips or buckles can hit on the walls of the washing machine and damage it, which can be difficult for your washing machine as well. So how do you wash such bags which have metal handles or metal buckles or zips? The simple solution for this is to take a pillowcase like this and put the bag inside the pillowcase. Now if the bag is big, then you'll need one pillowcase for one bag itself. If the bags are smaller, you all can use 2-3 bags in one pillowcase. Once you have put in the bag or bags in the pillowcase, secure the pillowcase with a knot by itself. If not, you all can take a hair tie, any hair tie, and just tighten it up in this way. Once the pillowcase is tight enough and you know that the bag will not come out of it, see that you put it thereafter for washing in the washing machine. Now in this way your washing machine is also safe and your bags also will be washed very nicely. Do let me know how did you all enjoy this hack. For more interesting hacks, do not forget to subscribe to my channel How Hacks. See you next time.